Hello again, welcome to this new and easy tutorial. In this tutorial, you will learn how to make this quick vector art, without using the pen tool in Photoshop. Let's get started. First of all, after opening your image, go to Image, then Image Size, to check both image size and resolution. Your image resolution should be changed to 300 pixels per inch. Now, I need to apply the oil paint filter on this layer. But since the oil paint filter does not work on all Photoshop versions, we will use an easy alternative technique to create a similar effect to it. First, select layer 1, then press Ctrl+J to duplicate it once. With the duplicated layer selected, go to Filter, Sharpen, then choose Smart Sharpen. Now, change amount to 240%. Change radius to 3 pixels. And also increase noise to 30%. Change remove option to Gaussian blur. Then click OK. I have duplicated this layer, to see the before and after like this. Now, with your layer selected, go to Filter, Stylize, and choose Diffuse. Change mode to anisotropic, then click OK. Now, go to Image, Image Rotation, then choose 90° clockwise. Apply Diffuse filter again. Rotate another 90°. Apply the filter again. Rotate again, and so on. Until you make a complete rotation. Now, after completing a one rotation, let's sharpen our image. With your layer selected, go to Filter, then Sharpen, and click on Smart Sharpen Filter. Leave values as they are. Then click OK. Now again, let's make another rotation, to increase the oil effect density. Apply Diffuse filter. Then choose Anisotropic. And click OK. Rotate the image 90°. And repeat these two steps, until you make a full rotation. Let's speed things up. Now, let's apply the Smart Sharpen filter again. Leave values as they are. Then click OK. Now, let's see the before and after. Great. Now, delete the layer 1, we don't need it anymore. And let's move to the final step. Now, right-click your layer, then, choose Convert to Smart Object. Press Ctrl+J to duplicate it twice. Rename the 3 layers as you like. Select the bottom layer. Then, hide the other 2 layers. Now, with this layer selected, go to Filters, and click on Filter Gallery. Under Artistic folder, choose the Cutout filter. Change number of levels to 8. Change Edge Simplicity to 5. And change Edge Fidelity to 1. Then click OK. With your layer selected, go to Sharpen, and choose Unsharp Mask. Change amount to 150%. Change radius to 2 pixels, and threshold to 0. Then click OK. As you can see, all filters will be applied as smart filters, since we are working with smart objects. Now, let's move to the second layer. Make it visible. Then go to Filters, and click on Filter Gallery. With the Cutout filter selected, just keep values as they are. And change Edge Simplicity to 6. Then click OK. Now, double-click this little icon, to change the filter opacity. Change opacity to 35%. Then click OK. Again, with your layer selected, go to Filter Gallery. With the Cutout filter selected, change values to 8, 6, and 2. Then click OK. Again, double-click here, and change opacity to 35%. Click OK. Last step, with your layer selected, go to Filter, Sharpen, then choose Unsharp Mask Filter. Change amount to 250%, and make both radius and threshold 2 and 0. Then click OK. Now change this layer opacity to 50%. As you can see, this soft details layer adds a lot of details to our final effect. Now, let's add some other details. Select the last layer, and make it visible. Then, go to Filters, and choose High Pass Filter. Change radius to 2. Then click OK. Change blend mode to overlay. This will add some extra sharpening and details to our final effect. Now, select all 3 layers, then, drag and drop to group them. Let's add some adjustment layers. First, add levels layer. Drag these sliders a little bit. Now, add vibrance layer. Increase both vibrance and saturation. Now, add color balance layer. Adjust midtones. Adjust shadows. And finally adjust highlights. Now, select all 3 layers, then, drag and drop to group them. Let's see the final result. That's great. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Please don't forget to like this video. And subscribe for more free tutorials. And please leave your comment below, if you need any help. Thanks for watching.